Hi Mom, this is our unboxing video for your package and our first show to you of our baby room.
Okay, here we go.
Okay. This is the baby room. Crib. And 4 airplanes on the wall. Crib. No sheets yet, but we got them on. I think we got them in the boxes. Little rug. Over here. Changing table. Irene made that. That's what she made by hand. Isn't that cool? Just ribbons. Stuff she bought at Michael's. She's crafty. We just bought that light with an airplane on it. Basket for diapers. Some clothes that he has. Look at his hat. And oh, the mobile. All planes. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. There's his closet, which has Irene's clothes in it. For now. And there's Irene. And there's the baby belly. Okay, it's still growing. And there is... what's that? Is it TV? Flash flood warning. There's a shelf. Little table for him. Little bear. Height. And if you walk out, actually right here is his door to his bathroom, but it's blocked right now by the cat box. So that's a Jack and Jill bathroom. So go outside his room. Right there are the stairs downstairs.
Baby gate.
A baby gate. There's the living room, my fish tank. Hallway to our room. Guest bedroom on the other side of the bathroom. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Bum bum bum. Okay. We'll go right here. Keep recording. Leave it alone, baby.
There was a flash flooding warning.
Yeah. For 3 special people from Mom and Aunt Shauna. Can you see it down here?
It's a boy! Congratulations on your little boy, Tim, Irene, and my nephew. I love you all very much, and I hope you will all enjoy the little presents here. I can't wait to meet my first nephew. Take care and stay well while we all wait for him. Much love, Aunt Shauna. Timmy, Mom loves you so very, very much. Irene, I love you too because you see all the good in my boy. I love you for adding so precious a little person to our family. And baby boy, Grandma loves you too and can't wait to tell you face to face. Love, Mom, Grandma.
That's nice. Grandma Howard. The new Grandma Howard.
The new Grandma Howard.
Rubber duckies.
Yay.
Package for Mom.
Mommy.
Package for Daddy.
It's like Christmas, like a holiday or something. Oh. Teacher Bell. Very cool. Thank you. I will use that. Absolutely.
Oh, cool. A knife magazine.
Nice.
And
I love knives.
this is a new knife. I can tell right now. Oh. Oh, that's nice. I don't have anything like this.
Aw,
Thank you.
Teacher, like the internet, only better. Thank you very much.
Cool.
Thank you.
That is a pocket knife. Chrome Vandisium. Very nice, Mom. Thank you. I'll add that to my little collection. And I got a pocket.
Cool.
Payment.
Very nice.
Like this. For Timmy, my little boy. Mom loves you more than you'll ever know. Timberwolf, the leader of the pack. Custom Black Paw collectible.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow!
Those are cool.
Those are really cool.
3 knives?
Yeah, it's a 3-knife set.
Wow. Those are really pretty.
That's pretty
With
awesome.
a wooden handle?
Yeah,
Wow.
they're fixed blade knives.
Yeah. Those are very cool. Use them for camping.
Yeah,
Very nice.
or for throwing. And this one, I think this one like rotate.
Yeah.
Pockets in. Just got a trigger.
Yeah, it's just like the other one. Cool. Very nice. Nice gift, Mom.
Yeah, wood handle. Cool. Thank you. I like that. That's 4 knives.
Oh, look at the airplane. I might have to move the camera back this way. Cute. Very nice. Cool little Toys R Us airplane. I like it. He'll like it too.
Wow, this is loaded.
Thank you. It is loaded. Aww.
Oh, cool. These are
Cool.
from Disney's planes.
Oh yeah, he's gonna love those. Very nice. Thank you.
Thank you. We don't have a lot of toys yet. And that's a plain box set.
That's cute.
That'll go good with the box set you bought at France.
I do, yeah. Thank you, that's adorable. I love wooden toys, thank you. Oh,
Little people.
that is cute. Little Movers airplanes, 1 to 5 years old. Try me, press. Oh, that's cute. With a little
A pacifier.
pacifier inside. It's an airplane. Cool. Very cute. Did a good job of wrapping safely. Oh, books. Thank you. These are the books. Mother Goose, The Little Red Caboose, Snow White, Curious George, and the Rainbow Book of Nursery Tales. Thank you. Wonder if these belong to you.
Yeah, those are new.
Thank you. We'll have to add them to our shelf, which is right behind you, so, which is pretty empty. So thank you for the
Here,
books.
let me get you a knife you can open this with. Made in the USA. Pretty awesome care package, Mom. You leave it open.
Aww.
Airplanes.
Airplanes, all about airplanes.
You gonna watch
Very
that?
cool. You will love that.
Clothes.
Wow,
Yes.
you sure found a lot with airplanes. Thank you. Oh, that's adorable. 6 to 9 months. Oh,
And a
that's a
onesie blanket?
pajamas. No, pajamas with little feet. So cute. It's a long video. Is it gonna download? Oh, this is darling. Little, oh, so cute. Little outfit. Zoom with airplanes. I love it. Very, very cute. I can't wait to dress him.
Oh, I
And
like
a
it.
very adorable blanket.
Oh, that's nice.
Yay!
Baby
We
blanket.
don't have anything like that. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I like the satin edges.
Yeah, it's beautiful. He'll like
Because it
to
won't bother his toes.
rub his fingers against it and his toes. Claire Bear, come here. Come here.
Uh-oh. There's a monkey flying a plane.
Oh, Curious George. Cute.
Curious George flies a
Look,
plane.
we have more, babe. Levi t-shirt and blue wings.
That's great, Mom.
Aww.
He's gonna love Curious George, because I did.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you. Yeah, I'll put it in the crib.
Oh, and you'll have to learn all about this, babe. These are the Blue Angels,
Oh, yeah.
which they fly in San Francisco, but I
Mhm.
used to go to watch these guys.
Oh, cute. Wow,
Really
she got
cool,
so
Mom.
much stuff.
Where'd you get all this stuff? Like, it's all, like, put together so well.
Yeah, really nice. Yay! Thank you so much. This is all so wonderful. We really appreciate it. That is my phone warning us of flash flooding in the area because it just started raining about a little over 24 hours ago, so it hasn't stopped yet.
No biggie.
But well, thank you so much. We love you very much and can't wait for you to come visit. And looking forward to our little baby boy to be here.
Thank you.
So thank you very much. Bye. Bye for now.